Welcome! In this video, we will walk through an integration practice worksheet. We will briefly preview the three parts, solve a few key examples step by step, and then show the full answer key. Here is the structure of the worksheet. Part 1 is basic integration techniques. Part 2 covers advanced integration methods. Part 3 focuses on definite integrals and applications. Let's solve a basic example. Find the integral of 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. We integrate term by term. The integral of 3x squared is x cubed, the integral of 2x is x squared, and the integral of minus 5 is minus 5x. Don't forget the constant of integration. Now an example with substitution. Integrate the quantity 2x plus 1 to the fifth power. Let u equal 2x plus 1. Then du equals 2 dx. So dx is 1/2 du. Now, the integral becomes 1/2 times u to the fifth, which is u to the sixth over 12. Finally, substitute back. Now, a definite integral example. Evaluate the integral from 0 to 3 of x squared plus 2x. We can visualize this as the area under the curve. To compute it, find the antiderivative. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, and the integral of 2x is x squared. Now plug in 3 and 0. We get 9 plus 9, which equals 18. Now let's show the answer key. First, answers 1 through 10. And here are answers 11 through 20. That concludes the worksheet overview. Try the remaining problems on your own, then check against the answer key. Thanks for watching.